What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you where to find and how to use the Dockmaster's Detector. Starting off, where exactly do you find these? Well, you're literally given one of these when you complete the Shoring Up Defenses task. You can see down here the granted item is this. Now, of course, you're only given one. You can find more of these randomly inside of maps. I've actually found two of them right next to each other inside of a regular metal box that you have to breach into. You're probably also likely to find these inside of drawers, inside of lockers, and similar things, but do let me know down below where you particularly found it if you found it out in the wild. Then, how exactly do you use one of these? Well, you'll need to place one in one of your quick use slots, and it does have a limited amount of HP. Once it runs out of HP, it'll vanish and you're not able to repair it. However, if you see it smoking in game, it means it's close to breaking, in which case stop using it, return to the menu, right click, and you're able to repair it here for just a couple of batteries. In order to use this, head out to Riven Tides during any game mode. I'll go during the day, but you're probably more likely to find more loot, as there's heightened loot spawns during major map modifiers like nighttime. While you can pull this item out just about anywhere on the map and hold use in order to scan, you're unlikely to find anything unless you're nearby the beaches on the far north side of the map, a zero beach, or even possibly over here by a wave breaker. There we go, we've finally found something. This has literally taken me about 2 raids to do. Essentially, I just hold it down, do a 360, does actually depend on which way you're looking, but I essentially hold it down for a bit. Now, as for narrowing it down, there we go. Once it finally goes green, we can dig, and I'll show you the map location in just a second. Once we're given some loot. Sometimes it'll be a container we can open containing quite a bit more. Other times it'll just be one low tier item, which is exactly what I got here. So of course, I'll run around and see if I can find something more. There we go. We found something really close by, actually. Somewhere here. There we go. Let's dig. And this time we find ourselves a mine. Let's quickly disarm that. Yikes. Well, no loot, I suppose. There seems to be one reasonably close by here as well. Is it out here? Maybe. Somewhere down here. You're essentially just looking around, hoping it goes a little bit faster, till eventually you get there. And at the third one, we found a bag. This could be huge. Meh, could be better. There we go, another container. This one has much better loot. Let's take that. And that one's over here. When you're looking around, you don't have to wait for it to click, as it uses quite a bit of electricity, but the moment you hold it down, it should start beeping immediately if there's something within range. So just moving around quite a bit. There we go. Recorder, sure, that's something. The next one, a bag, and that looks way more promising. Sure, I'll take that. That's alright. Which is right over here. As for how close together they are, it actually seems really close together, especially in this area. Maybe they only spawn in some raids and not others. Maybe I just took far too long to get here. Prickly pear, I suppose. And someone else had already looted it, but I found absolutely nothing last game, and this one, I'm finding tons of these things really close together. Next one, another bag, not that good. That one was here, and so on and so forth. You get how it works? It's pretty simple. Odds are, if you're not first to that area, it's probably already been done. So if you come in late in the raid, or you take your time to get to sort of this location, odds are you're not going to have much at all. But yeah, that's basically that. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Let me know what you find down below. And of course, I'll have these spots listed on my interactive maps, so you'll know exactly where to search. Maps.techno.com. You'll find a link down below. I'll see you all next time. Ciao.